Today I have for you guys what might be my new favorite strap company, at least when it comes to leather straps. The company is Delugs Straps, and I'm really impressed by them for a couple of different reasons. One is the quality of the leather. They are sourcing their leather from some of the top leather tanneries out there. Number two is the selection. There's a whole bunch of different leathers they use. There's different colors and sizes, and not just the width, but also the length to get a good length for any wrist size. I have three of their straps in for us to take a look at today. I have the Grand Seiko on deck for strap model duty, so let's check them out. Now, we'll go through all the straps individually, but one of my favorite things with Delugs is the shopping experience. The selection is a little overwhelming at first, but as you go through the options, there's a really good write-up on each of their lines of straps. They explain the certain characteristics of the leather they're using on the particular strap, the tannery it came from, and all that sort of stuff. And I just find it makes it all the more fun and interesting as you shop for the right strap. Another cool thing is if they don't have exactly what you want, you can have them make a custom strap. So it's really a one-stop shop for leather watch straps. The first of the three we'll get to is this white strap from Delugs Epsom Slim line. This one is ultra thin at only 2 millimeters thick. It's about as pliable a strap I've ever felt right out of box. Straight away, it is seriously comfortable, and the texturing on the leather looks great. This is from the Tannerie du Puy in France. Trying my French accent there. Believe it or not, I actually went to an all-French school back in my elementary days. I'm pretty out of practice, but trying. One claim to fame, though, with this leather is it's the same leather used in a lot of Hermes products. I haven't worn it for long enough, but it's apparently quite scratch and water resistant and keeps this look even after a long time of use. Next up is this one from the Babel Leather Slim line. They call this colorway the Natural Babel. It's a vegetable tanned leather from the Tempesti Tannery in Italy. All of these straps, by the way, are backed with Zermatt leather, which is very soft to the touch and feels nice against the wrist. Also, all the straps are equipped with quick release, which I think should be a thing with any strap nowadays. Now, the cool thing with this type of leather is the pattern on the leather itself. It has almost a textile look. Same as the first strap, it's very soft and wears perfectly straight away with no break-in period. Of the three straps, I think this might be my favorite combination for the Grand Seiko. I think this is going to be a strap that will actually work on a whole bunch of different watches, though. Before we get to the last strap, I just gotta say the most enjoyable part of making this video is the smell of these straps. I just love the smell of new leather like this, but last but not least is this whiskey colorway of Delugs Horween Chromexel signature strap. It's a little thicker than the other two, being a padded strap, but again, totally ready to go straight away on wrist. I own two Horween straps, and they're two of my favorites because of how well they age. It's that kind of leather that the more you wear it, the better it looks. And of the three, this one is probably the most versatile of the bunch. Horween just goes great on anything from dressier pieces to sportier watches. Another thing with these is they taper down to 16 millimeters at the buckle, so you get that full range of motion, which adds to the comfort level. So I have to say I'm impressed. There's cheaper straps out there, but not to this level of quality. The leather on all three is excellent. The stitchwork is top notch. The cost on their straps range in price. I believe all three of these were $80, though price varies up and down depending on what you get. I think at the moment there's a discount if you sign up to their newsletter, but I'm not 100% on that. Full disclosure, these were sent into the channel at no charge for review, but I plan to share the wealth and pass along at least one of these in an upcoming giveaway, probably early this fall, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks to Delugs for sending in the straps. Thanks to you guys for stopping by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.